Rule 18. Responsibilities between vessels. Except where rules 9.10 and 13 otherwise require. A power drive vessel underway shall keep out of the way of Rule 19. Conduct of vessel restricted visibility. This rule applies to vessel not in sight of one another when navigating in or near an area of restricted visibility. Every vessel shall proceed at a safe speed adapted to the prevailing circumstances and conditions of restricted visibility. A power-driven vessel shall have her engines ready for immediate maneuver. Every vessel shall have due regards to prevailing rules. 20. Application. Rules in the PARP shall complied with in all weathers. The rules concerning light shall be complied with from sunset to sunrise. And during such time, no other light shall be exhibited except such highlight light as during such time cannot be mistaken for the light. Special failed in these rules or do not impede their visibility or destructive character of inter. Rule 21. Definition. Masthead light means a weight light placed over the fore and eccentric line of the vessel showing us a broken light over a ERC of the horizon of 2 to 5 degrees of fix is a low show the light from right ahead to 22.5 degree above. The beam on either side of the vessel in side light means a green light on the starboard side and a red light on the port side. It's showing on unbroken light over the REC of the horizon of 112.5 degrees and so fixed as to show the light from right ahead to 2 to 5 degrees. Shaft the beam on respective side show a light from right. Rule 22. Visibility of light. The light proceed bed in this rule shall have a intensity of specified in section 8 of Annex I today's regulations so as to be visible as the following minimum ranks. In vessel of 50 meters or more, a length means headlight 6 miles, side light 3 miles, is stem light